7-inch McFarlane Flash figure time. In this vid I'm going to open up what I'm going to call the Batsuit Flash. So he repurposes a Batman suit. That's in the previews, you can kind of tell already. No spoilers. I did just get back from seeing the movie in the theaters. I'm not going to do any spoilers, but I was concerned with the movie. I'm just going to say, if you like me, go see it. You'll enjoy it. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And next vid I'll open up the regular Flash right here. I do already have that statue of him from McFarlane. So without further ado, let's open Batsuit Flash. Alright, let's see here. Let's open him from the bottom. Here's the artwork on the back. Real quick. Not going to save that box, so kind of for posterity. Actually, I'm just ripping that box all apart. These run about 19 bucks. You might be able to catch them on sale here or there. Amazon, but I got mine directly from McFarlane. They do have this collector card. Check that out. Pretty cool. And let you pause and read if you can, if the screen's big enough. It does come with a base. Stand them on. Little DC logo there. Where's my skizzers? Here they are. Let's cut him out of the packaging if I can. Okay, get all the lightning out now. Frustrating. Okay, unpackaged. Let's take a closer look at them, and you can see, like I said, you notice here it's the this is the Batman suit, one of his older suits that this Barry Allen has to repurpose and make his own. If you saw in the preview for the movie, Barry Allen, the Flash, goes back, changes, does the old Flashpoint where he saves his mom when he comes back. There's another version of himself there already. So that's this guy, and they team up with Batman, the Michael Keaton Batman. So this suit is kind of unique, kind of cool. He makes use of it. And we do have some lightning pieces. You can see, fits on the stand. He will stand up if you pose him right without the stand. Stand just makes it a little easier if you want to kind of stretch him out a little bit in a running pose. Unfortunately, he only comes with these fists, so he doesn't have any open hand pieces. You can see his ears on that bat suit are lobbed off. And these little lightning things, they're a little bit cheesy. There's no real instructions, but you can pretty much just stick them wherever you want, wherever you think it's gonna look alright for your, if you're trying to pose them up in a running fashion. So, or just not have them on at all, whatever you want. The whole Speed Force lightning thing, pretty cool. 22 points of articulation on these figures. So toes, ankles, knees, hips, waist area, head turns, all that good stuff. I like it. Pretty cool. If you haven't seen the movie yet, go see it. And you can see he stands no problem on his own. Alright. Up next we'll open up the 7-inch Flash. Go check out my other vids if you're interested in figuring out what these statues are that I got back here. Thanks for watching. Boom.